Hey y'all, day 2 of my install here, of our install. So I've got my drain done there. I've got the return taped up on there. And what I did here was I put a piece of metal L bracket right there to kind of close that gap up and make it a little more sturdy. So maybe you guys saw that little gap yesterday. And got my drain done, and this is how I like to do my drains. That way you can blow it out that way if you wanted to. You can clean it out that way, inspect it real easy. And that is above the pan level there. Got it insulated real well. Gotta run it over there. And down and out. Safety flow switch. Getting ready to fire her off. Check my CFMs. What we did here too is get some good light on there. That's one layer of mastic tape. We like to use mastic or butyl tape. Man, that stuff sticks really well, and really sticks good. And it's even got a little bit of an insulation factor. So use a couple coats of that, and then we go over it again with the regular foil tape there. So alright, time to get cleaned up and kind of get out of here. You see that string blowing in the breeze over there? My fan's kicking it up here again today. Okay guys, I actually increased it to 900. I like my system set between 4 and 450 a ton. Sized pretty closely here, and again, that's just to keep our coil above, say, 44 degrees usually. If you keep a nice warmer coil, and they last a lot longer. I have found that the colder the coil, takes at least 10 years off the life of that coil. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, huh? Alright guys, here's our final product, all sealed up, running beautifully. guys, we're gonna do the honors here. I better come over here so I can do it quick. Yeah, just thought I'd take a quick shot of our outdoor unit, our nice little 2-ton unit. Got our indoor air handler set to about 900 CFMs. Running about a 45-degree evaporator, so nice and warm, should last him a good long time. Thanks for watching, guys, and we are heading out now to go start another job and tear out the equipment and see what we're going to do there, so maybe we can get some footage over there as well. So thanks, guys. I thank everyone for watching my stuff here. I know I lack a lot of the editing and the camera work stuff that some of you guys do, but I'm learning, and I do appreciate all you guys making your videos as well. Like Nick Rowan, Steve Lav, Stephen Raridan, Justin McCullough, Ralph at TNN, Harry Dixon, and everyone else that I may have failed to mention. Can't forget Talon, Zach Saraceni, Zach Poseida, who is Talon, I figured out, and Fritz Rochester, give him a shout out. But thanks, everyone.